Okay, first thing you're going to measure angles, you're going to use this tool right here. It's called a protractor. Things you'll notice on it has a 0 to start an angle on this side and on this side. So you really have to look at the way that angle is opening. Then it also has this little dot right here. I call it the vertex protector. That's where you that's what you put over the vertex. So if I'm measuring this angle right here, I know it's acute, so it should be less than 90. First thing you do is need to make it bigger. So I'm just going to trace the side of it to extend it so it fits, my protractor can fit with it. So I'll trace the other side. Now that the angle is bigger, I can lay my protractor on it. So first thing I want to do is line up my vertex protector to put over the vertex. And then I need to line up my 0 over here with the other side while keeping the vertex protector over that. So right here, you can kind of use that whisker to help out as well. So I line up that vertex, line up the side, and over here I have my 0 lined up. Right here, 0 degrees. And now I need to go all the way to this other angle. I want to see how big this opening is. So I'm going to count from 0. And it's important to start at 0, count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is exactly 60 degrees. Right there, exactly 60 degrees. This time I use the outside numbers. Okay. Other times, other ways you line it up, you might use the inside. So this angle is 60 degrees. If I move on to another one, this is obtuse, so my angle should be more than 90 degrees. It's good to think about if it's acute or obtuse, so you know, like if you when you measure, make sure that you don't make a mistake. Like if you say this angle is 45 degrees, you know that's less than an obtuse angle. So if I line this one up, put my vertex protector on here, line up my 0. I'm lining up on this side here this time. So I have my vertex lined up, the whiskers lined up, the 0 mark right here is lined up. Now I'm going to count up until I get all the way over here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Now, I'm going to have to eyeball this. I think it's around 147. But to be safe, since my paper's not that long, I'm going to go ahead and line it up the other way. So I'm going to line it up right here. And just make sure my whiskers dead on, so that's lined up. And if I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, I get 145. This longer one's at the 5 mark, 145. It's between 146 and 147. So I'm going to call that 146 degrees. And that's all. That's how you measure with a protractor.